Hey guys, good morning. It's Justin Davis here with Honest Abe Roofing. Another day, another roof inspection. It is 7 a.m. I'm enjoying this beautiful sunrise on this nice, crisp, cool morning. It's about 28 degrees right now. So we're going to head out here and check out this guy's roof. And you know, with all this rain that we've been having, a lot of customers are concerned about the possibility of leaking. And so I just want to take a moment and let you know that even if you don't have a leak inside your roof or inside your ceiling that you can see, there might possibly be a leak in your attic. And our inspections are free, so it doesn't cost anything to have us come out and do a free 16-point inspection. It's always better to be proactive rather than reactive. And, you know, even at 7 a.m., we'll get out there. We work around your schedule. And so click the button below, schedule your free inspection, and I'll be there whatever time you want me to be to do that roof inspection for you. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.